It literally just smells like straight WD-40.
So we took off all the fairings. Damn, it looks pretty badass without the fairings, man. We just gotta take this front one off, which is pretty simple. He's separating the seat so we don't paint the seat. And then we're gonna paint it. 125cc pit bike. We're gonna get rid of all the branding and all the warning signs and customize this bad boy. We got flat matte black. Sweet. Make sure you keep all your screws in a safe place. It looks pretty, look how cool it looks on the seat, bro. Look at that. Screw the fenders, the fairings. Let's just put a nice leather seat on there. Make it a Street Fighter. I'm just kidding. All right, so what's the next step, Anthony? We're gonna paint them on the cardboard. All right, stay tuned.